Is PixelPointTV really the best way to earn by watching videos, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have recently asked me about this platform and whether it's really a great way to make money by watching videos. So therefore I decided to take a closer look, and in this PixelPointTV review I will give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons. I will show you how you can earn the most if you decide to use it, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over the name, because this can be a little bit confusing. It is called PixelPointTV. It's very similar to Hideout TV that I've talked about before, and many of the platforms that used to offer you to earn on Hideout TV now offers this. So it seems like they're kind of merged, but there's no clear information about that because Hideout TV also still does exist, but it just seems like most traffic is now redirected to PixelPoint, but I've not been able to get like any clear information about this. And also you can even see PixelPoint's own FAQ section. They even refer to Hideout TV. So it seems like it kind of is. You can create a new one on PixelPoint. It basically works the same as Hideout, if you know that. But I will also here go over how it actually works. I just wanted to clarify this with the name because it's honestly quite confusing. What I know now is just that the platforms that I will also show you here that I prefer if you want to earn like this, they are now referring to or directing you to PixelPoint now instead of Hideout as it used to. So that shows me that this is the platform that you should use if you want to earn like this. So let's now go over how it works, how you can get the most out of it, if you decide it's for you, how much you can earn and all that. So let's start by going over how to earn by watching videos. So basically you just can create an account here. You do need to also have accounts on other get paid to sites to get paid. We will talk about that later, at least if you want to get the most out of your points, but you do need an account here no matter what. So we'll talk about the other platforms you can connect it to a little bit later here. But here what you need to do is, once you come in here, all you need to do is to just choose any video here. You can find certain categories. You can just, also like them, follow certain channels, whatever there. Personally, whether they're interesting or not, that really depends on your preferences. They do have a lot of videos here from many different topics. So, let's just say that I click this one here and then it just opens here. And I just paused here now because you can see an ad popped up, and this is actually a good thing because when the ad pop up, that's when I will actually earn, because that's how you earn. You are not as such earning just by watching the videos. It's actually the ads that are played here before, after, during some time. So I'll just be back when the ad is over here. So basically the ads, you need to make sure to actually watch them and not skip them. Often they will be before, sometimes during, sometimes also after. So make sure of that. But the thing is that there will not always be ads, because that depends whether there are advertisers currently running ads in your country on the platforms that PixelPoint works with. So be aware of that I've seen many people on platforms like this like, oh, I keep watching videos but I'm not earning. And this is simply because there needs to be advertisers, and if there are no ads you will not earn. So be aware of that. They do not have any information about specific countries where the best options are. So the only way to really know is that you come here, then you watch. If there's ads you will earn, if not you will not earn. Sometimes there might be ads, other times there will not. So it can take some patience to earn like that, but this is basically how it works. Then you will just watch it, you will earn some points. And let's now then talk about how you can take these points out and how much you can earn. So when it comes to getting paid, then PixelPoint is quite different than many other platforms because you need to connect it to other get paid to sites. You can see here, you can link accounts, and these are all the different get paid to sites where you can earn by watching it, and then you can connect your account. So if you need to join some of these here to be able to actually redeem, just be aware that this list, I can tell you, is not fully updated, because I know some of the platforms that I are on here do not exist anymore actually. So it's a little bit confusing like that. But what I can do now is show you my 3 favorite platforms get paid to site that do offer you to earn on PixelPoint. So then you can connect them here, and then you can take your earnings out. The exact value of the points you will get and how you can get paid depends on those platforms. So just keep that in mind. But overall, what you usually will earn is around 3 points here per video, including ads you watch there. And then the exact value of those points can vary depending on the platform you take it out to. But the three that I will show you here are some of the best ones because they in general give great payout options and they give some of the best value for these Pixel Point points also. So let me just quickly show you these three favorite platforms that I would recommend for this if you want to earn like this, and I will also show you where you can find this earning option inside those platforms. So one platform that offers this is called FreeCast. You get paid to site that offers many other ways to earn, but if you want to earn by watching PixelPointTV, you can go to this AdSense media here. That's an offer wall there, and then you can find the videos, and here you can see this is where you can find them, PixelPointTV. There are some of the channels that are different that takes you to a different platform, but then you can use the same login as PixelPoint. So that's a little bit confusing, but basically you can go here, find the categories, click to start earn, and then it will explain like you get 3 hideout points. As you can see here, they're still confusing, like hideout points, pixel points. So that shows what I said in the beginning, that it's kind of like the same platform, but you know, just they seem to have started using pixel point instead. But anyways, 3 points for every video plus ad watch. So that's in general how it is. And then on FreeCast there, you know, you can take out your earnings in many different ways. Again, for all these 3 platforms I'll mention, I'll leave full tutorials below where you can read all about each of these platforms and how you can get paid and all this. This is about PixelPoint and the platforms that I recommend you use if you want to earn on PixelPoint. The next option here is called Reward XP. You can go here, you can see to the earn section, videos. They also have surveys, offers, playing games, all kind of things. But when it comes to PixelPoint, you can click here. Then you'll be taken to PixelPoint. Again, you need to log in. You can redeem your points here, get paid in many different ways. Crypto cash, gift cards. Again, if you want to know more about Reward XP, then I have a full tutorial of it. I will leave a link to that below. This actually gives some of the best value for your PixelPointTV points compared to many other get paid to sites. So that's one thing to keep in mind, but all of these 3 options are great. It kind of depends on your personal preferences when it comes to the overall options these get paid to site offer and the payout option especially. So the last of the get paid to site that I recommend if you want to earn on PixelPoint, that is Price Rebel. It also offers many different ways to earn. Again, I'll leave a link below to a full tutorial. Here we'll focus on where you can find the PixelPoint videos. Here you go to the earn section, offer walls, then you go to this AdSense videos. This is where you can find them. You can see, you can find again some of them, again different platforms. You can use the same login there. Let's say you want to watch this here. Again, it says 3 points every video plus ads. So you can see that's basically what you get there. All these 3 platforms you can connect there, take your points into those platforms, and then take your earnings out from there. But before also doing this, there are just a few things you need to be aware of what you cannot do when you earn on PixelPoint, because that will risk getting you banned. So I just want to go over that also. So PixelPoint has an FAQ section where they very clearly explain what you cannot do. So be aware of this, because I know some people think that that's a way to earn more. For example, you create multiple accounts. You are not allowed to try to cheat in any way. You're not allowed to use a VPN, a proxy to get access to more of the ads there. You're not allowed to automatically skip the content, use an auto refresher, any sort of script, you know, all these different things here. Basically, you need to be honest, because they will detect if you do any of this, and then you will just get banned. So keep that in mind. I just want to go over that because I know that some people sometimes think that, oh, great, I use a VPN, then there'll be more ads because there are no ads in my country. I'll create multiple accounts. You know, don't do that. You will just get banned. So I just wanted to let you know that. So to sum it all up, PixelPoint can be a way to earn by watching videos, but you really do need to do it with the right expectations. It is legit and you can get paid by watching videos here, but it does take a lot of patience. If you use the 3 get paid to sites, or one of them there that I recommend here, that's how you can get the most out of it, but you should not rely only on watching videos to earn on those platforms, because it just will take a lot of patience. But now you know at least how it works, and then you can decide for yourself whether you want to use this option or not. No matter what, those 3 get paid to sites are great ways to earn some extra money on the site for free. I'll leave links below to written reviews of each of those so you can learn more about them. Also find joining link if you decide any of those are for you. And I hope this video helped you figure out if PixelPoint is for you or not. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.